the part we have configured the first area, and now we have configured the link of the first area, and now we have to configure the second area. Let's start by London here. Let's check with CLI. Okay. 1 minute. Let's make our preference overview just here in the front. Make 11 and 11 here. Okay. Okay. The view is better now. Okay. We start with the first interfaces. Oh, sorry. Here we need also to show the port. Hide and show. And okay. Our first port is GE Giga Ethernet 030. Let's start. IP address we choose 10.10.27.2, and the mask is 255.252. We choose this one for, and take no shut down. We choose this one because we choose only two addresses between first area and second area for London and Algeria. Second part is GE00 here. Sorry, but my English is not very good, but you can understand. Here GE003 1 here is 1 255 255 255 255 up to 52. Okay, make no shutdown. Okay, we take now the GE interface Giga 010. This is my interface that I have configured now. 10 10 13 1 255 255 255 252. Okay, now shut down here. So after that, this is a London P. This is a provider, or you can tell that as you want. Let's go for the next router. Oh, sorry. Here, configure terminal interfaces. Which interface is GE? Okay, let's start with this GE00. Oh, 0 0 0. Oh, sorry. First, Giga Ethernet 00. IP address here is 1 10 10 10 31 and 2 5. Make shit down. Okay. And okay, this is the other interfaces is interface here is 0 2 0 0 2 0. IP addresses here is 10 10 25 2 255 255 255 252. Make sure that no shit down here. Okay, let's make description for these interfaces to run. Okay, this is, we make a description because here this link is going to run. Okay, to run interface Giga Internet 0 1 0. IP addresses here is 10 29 1 10 10 29 1 2 4 5 2 4 5 5 5 2 5 2. No shutdown. Okay. Sorry. To stay to down. What's happening here? Oh yes. No problem, because this interface is already down. Still down. I think. Sorry. I'm trying to speak better English. Okay. Interfaces Giga Ethernet 0 1 0. This one. Okay. IP address here is 10 10 13 2 25 255 255 252 252. It's supposed to be, yes, it's become green here. Okay, so an interface, the last interfaces is 000. IP addresses here is 10 10 9 29. Okay, now shut down. All our topology now is good, I think. Let's show the IRP here. Show RP for these interfaces. Okay. We are here. Okay. And here we have three directly connected. Three interfaces directly connected. But when you make show RP, you can see 29 1 and 29 2. Okay. Like 1 minute. Show running config. I think I make mistakes here. Yes. This is my mistakes here too, but it's supposed to be the one. So I will repair my error here. Configure interface Giga Ethernet 000. No, sorry, 1 0 as here. Oh, 0 0. I'm sorry. I make confused between 000 and 010 here. I'm here. Oh, sorry. I make wrong. Okay. Show RP here. Now I'm in the right router. This is the right router. You can check. The interface is directly connected is 2, and this 2 is here, and 1 is here. But when we ping, we create an SNMP, ICMP packet. We will check the connection between traffic connection between the two router here. After that, if you make show IRP, this is the MAC. Sorry, this is the MAC of directly interfaces here. The other router here. We try to ping all our interfaces. 1 is 10, 31, 1 here. These interfaces. Okay. And 24, 2. Yeah, I try to ping other interfaces here. So ping 10, 10, 24, 1. Okay. We try to save our configuration. This command WR. I think it's okay for this part. Please feel free to ask me a question in the comment. Thank you for watching.